Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to the channel of Chilled Relaxed Plant content, where we talk about our plants and we try to learn the best way to grow them so they grow how we want them to grow. So today I am packaging up some plants to send over to Miles over at Paradise in a Pot on YouTube. Go check out his channel, and I'm gonna show you what I'm packaging up for him to send to him. So I'm going to switch the camera around, show you the plants, and yeah, that's what we're going to do. Alrighty guys, this is the pile of plants that we are going to be packaging up. Some plants have been rooting for a lot longer than other plants. You'll see as I show you them, like just the differences in the roots. I have decided to give just the entire Peperomia incana plant that I have over to Miles. I'm just over it. I don't know, if it had grew more bushy, you guys can't even see it, hold on, there we go. If it had grown more bushy or kept its bottom leaves, aka if I was a better waterer, the plant probably would stay and look good here, but it doesn't. So we're going to send it off and we'll see how Miles takes care of it. And yeah, so that's what we're going to do. And we're going to speed through it. And yeah, alrighty. Alrighty guys, so everything is packed up. I'm just going to quickly show you the plants that were agreed upon for the trade. So we have the vanilla orchid. There are 2 pieces in there. They're both rooted. They both have some new growth. It looks good. The Peperomia incana. You know, this is kind of like a good luck mouse. It didn't like me. Maybe it'll like you more. So we got that guy. And then we have the Baltic blue. And I think there's 3 pieces in here. Again, all rooted. Got some fenestrations going on, looking cute. And then we have the Hoya pachiclata. This guy really took off within the last week. This whole stem right here is brand new. We got 2 new leaves. It's very rooted. This plant's gonna take off for you, Miles. It's very exciting. I'm excited to see updates on how this guy grows for you. So yeah, that's the trade. I'm trying to not have as many propagations. So it's kind of like, when I do a trade, I always have propagations. If you're a plant person, you always end up with some type of propagation, right? Something gets knocked off, something breaks, a dog knocks it off, a kid rips it off, whatever it is. And you just throw it in water because, you're like, oh, it has a node, it'll be fine. And then you look around, you got 16, 20, 50 propagations lying around. So when I have a trade or something, I kind of throw little extras in there. And yeah, so that's what I did. So I hope these arrive to you nice and well, Miles. I hope you enjoy them as much as I do. And for my viewers, anybody who's watching, which is your favorite out of everything that I cut? If you have any tips or tricks for the Peperomia incana, put them down below. This way I can relay them to Miles if he has trouble, because I can't get that guy happy. But that's it for today, and until next time, relax, plant, and peace out.